Hey, what's up, y'all? Back with another video. Just making sure I get this in real quick. It's the Air Jordan 1 Retro High OGGS Concept Japan. So the Concept Japan, Co.JP. Pretty sure a lot of people are like, what does that mean and what is it? Concept Japan, I vaguely remember, and this is going to age me a bit, I vaguely remember these shoes being really popular. Not this model, just different models from Nike. Based on sneakers that were released in the international market. So I would have to assume that, yeah, so 2001 to 2020, it's on the back of the tongue. Got to do a close-up. Hey, what's up, y'all? I know that's like a long pause and a break. Doing a video for this Air Jordan 1 Concept Japan. And what is Concept Japan? Back in the day, cool thing is, I'm going to do a close-up of these, so I'll move it up so you can see it. It says 2001 to 2020. When retros kind of first started being a thing and Nike was expanding into the international market, they started releasing models that were exclusive to Tokyo, right? Co.JP. It was a website. It was actually a Nike website, but the Concept Japan Air Jordan 1, let's get to this thing. Go to the front real quick. Air Jordan 1 Retro High OG GS. This is the GS version. 575441029. Neutral gray metallic silver. The price is $130. Alright? This is a size 7Y. And the UPC for the 7Y is 194276. 578865. And there's a 14 at the end. So when I go to the inside of the shoe, I'm actually going to go straight to the top of the box, and the box has a stamp, and that stamp is 2020 3/14/13. It's long and it's blurred, so hopefully you guys can see this and I don't have to reshoot this whole thing. But 2020 3/14 is what it looks like. Here's the dates of production: 12/06/19 to 02/25/20, 02/25 3/14. It's less than a month, so we're good on our authentication. I need to go to the close-up, man, because the materials on this thing are exquisite. And unlike typical Jordans where you have a Nike Air tag at the top on the high OGs, this actually has an embroidered Nike Air on here. And this tongue, all of these ones I have on the wall around here, the materials on this one are better than any of the shoes that have dropped. Now, there are some glue runs that are on it as well, but let's get to that close-up and then wrap this video up. Yeah, get to the close-up. All right, you guys, so we're going to the close-up. I have it at an angle, and I want to make sure I stay in focus here because it's such a bright shoe that this thing is suede. This is not kind of a traditional, it's a nubuck feel. Very soft material, man. And this leather has been painted, so it's more tumbled back here in the back. And then, of course, instead of just a printed Jordan logo, you have that bubble logo, and it's just more vivid. Around the collar is that suede, kind of rougher leather. And on the back of the tongue, let me make sure I get that in focus for you guys. To make sure, it says 2001 to 2020. And those are the operating dates, I think, for Nike.co.jp, which was the Japan website. And look at the tongue on that thing. It's pretty, man. It's only one set of shoestrings, and these are rope laces that are in here. One set of shoestrings. You do have a Jordan sticker. I'm just making sure I pull this out so I can put these together and move that up here, and just make sure I kind of turn it so you guys can get a good look at the shoes. And then I'm going to wrap this video up with that close-up. Make sure you can see the back of the tongue on both. Matter of fact, I did not show you the inside of the shoe. And there you go. You can see the Co.JP. Concept Japan. And that's it, with the Jumpman at the heel. That's it. My phone's ringing. I'm going to wrap this up, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.